Just a few weeks ago, we launched a YouTube channel called Mr. Ciggyrot, its entire foundation, brainrot memes, and get this, in just 3 weeks, we monetized it. Today, only 5 days later, that channel has already generated around $3,000. Mr. Ciggyrot creates trending content specifically for Gen Alpha, and it's all powered by VEO3. This is a prime example of AI's incredible potential in content creation and earning serious revenue. In a previous video on this channel, I showed you a way to get up to 1.5 years of free VEO access through a student subscription. Unfortunately, that opportunity has now expired. The offer was valid until June 30th. After that, I introduced another method using the Google Skill Boost educational service. We were experimentally using one of their labs, gaining access to VEO through Vertex AI. But that method became so widely used that Google cut off access. Today, Google Cloud's experimental environment no longer provides access to VEO. So what do? Don't worry, because today I'm going to share 3 methods that have no expiration date and are completely legitimate for getting free VEO3 access. Method 1, Google Offers. Before you do anything else, whenever you're watching this video, head over to the address one.google.com/offer/student-offer. Check if Google has any new offers available. For example, as of today, the student program for India is active until September 15th, 2025. This program allows Indian residents to use Google's free plan for 12 months. To access this offer, go to gemini.google/students/?gl=IN. If you're not in India, you'll need to use a VPN to see this offer. If your IP address shows India, you can access the plan with this same address. You'll get 12 months of free subscription with the Get Offer option. To claim the plan, you absolutely need to use a credit card. No amount will be deducted, but a valid card is required. In the past, Google didn't even require this, but today they've become stricter. After activating your account, search for Google Flow in Google. Select the first website that appears and choose the account you just activated. Click New Project. In this space, you can use VEO3. Simply select VEO3 Fasts as the model and set the number of generations to 1 to conserve your credits. After activation, each account receives 1,000 free credits. Each generation you perform with VEO3 consumes 20 of those 1,000 credits. For example, I'll type the prompt, a white lion in a jungle running. I'll write this command and then click Generate. You'll need to wait a few minutes for the video to be ready. This is the result of the work. Today, you can even export your work at a 1080 resolution without any extra cost. And as you can see, 20 credits have been deducted from my account, leaving me with 980 credits. Method 2. 3-month free credits with Vertex AI. Now for our second method. I know many of you relied on Google Skill Boost for free access, but as we've discussed, that no longer works. When you try, you'll face a message denying Vertex AI access within that environment, likely due to server pressures. However, I have an alternative solution. Navigate to the address cloud.google.com/vertexai. Here, you'll see it clearly states, new customers get up to $300 in free credits to try Vertex AI and other Google Cloud products. This means direct access to Vertex AI with a substantial amount of free credit. How do you activate it? Simply click on Try Vertex AI Free. In the first step, confirm your account information. And in the second step, just like before, use your credit card details. It's that easy. You now have $300 in free credits. After activation, search for Vertex AI within the Google Cloud search bar. In this environment, through Media Studio, select VEO. It's a familiar space we've worked with before, but this time with $300 in credit. You might be wondering, how much does each generation cost in this scenario? We can find the answer in the Vertex AI documentation. Just open the documents for this section. As you can see, for every second generated by VEO3, 75 cents will be deducted from your $300 credit. It's a bit pricey. However, if you use VEO3 Fast, it drops to 40 cents per second. And if you use VEO3 Fast without audio, it's 25 cents. Method 3, 1 month free subscription for everyone. First, open Google and search for Google One. Select the first website that appears. Once you're on the home page, look for the Google AI Premium subscription. As you can see, the first month of this subscription is currently free. And yes, this exact subscription gives you access to VEO3. Simply select it and enter your credit card details. Don't worry, you can easily cancel the subscription before the free trial ends. Just head to the Manage Subscription section and select the Cancel Subscription option. Once you have your free 1 month subscription, you can again access VEO through Google Flow and receive 1,000 free credits for 1 month. As you can see, That's enough to generate up to 50 videos. These 3 methods are the most reliable ways for you to get free access to VEO3. And it's pretty cool to know that we actually launched the Mr. Ciggyrot channel using our student subscription. If you'd like to learn more about this project and the Mr. Ciggyrot channel, let me know in the comments, and we'll dedicate our next session to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.